Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn a really easy way how you can use Zoom effectively and really quick. So let's start. First, what I recommend is to download a Zoom client for your computer. When you're here, first thing, before we will go enter to join, schedule meeting, we want to go to the settings. These are the most important thing, and let's just go step by step. First, you are going to have a general settings. Start Zoom when I start Windows, enter full screen automatically when starting and joining a meeting. Then you have video, which is really important. If you want to share a video, set up your camera, go with if you are looking good on mirroring or no. You can also touch up my appearance if you want to. And I recommend always turn off video when joining a meeting, so then you can turn it on later on. So this is important. In audio, this is the most important settings. Go with the speakers or what you want to hear. I recommend if you have headphones, choose headphones so they don't hear themselves when they talk. If you want a huge speakers, okay? It's really important. Then you can also test speaker. You can test mic. Choose also mic. That's also good. Now, automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. I always unmute it. I unclick it only because when I join someone, I don't want them to hear me. Mute my microphone when joining a meeting. Yeah. Press and hold space key. For example, yes, okay. This is good. I would okay, audio and mute my microphone. This is good. Share screen. Enter full screen when a participant shares a screen. Okay. You don't need to do that. Just unclick full screen. This means that when someone shares a screen and you're working on something, it will just blow you out. It will go full screen. You don't want that. Then you have chat here. This is I'm not going to really talk about this because these are normal things. Virtual background that you can use behind the camera. Also, you can use it. Recording. This is okay, where are your recordings are going to be saved? You can set it up for yourself. Profile. Simple, edit my profile. You can edit it if you want. Let's say that you want to edit your name, etc. You know how it goes. And then you have statistics, keyboard shortcuts if you would like, and accessibility. So when we have it, now let's talk about the business. You have chat here that you can chat with someone. You have meetings, but if you want to go meetings, you can click here on new meeting. You can join meeting, you can schedule meeting, or you can share a screen directly in some meeting. So when you click on join, you need to enter meeting ID or someone. When you want to schedule, you can schedule a meeting for your friends. And you can click also new meeting, which is completely new. And you can join the computer audio. You can invite participants if you want to create right now. So again, I'm going to start a meeting now. Okay, now I'm going to invite someone if I would like. Then you can manage participants. You will see it here that you can mute everyone, etc. Okay. Close. You can unmute your audio. You can start your video. But right now we can't start the video only because I'm right here and this cam is working and I can't use the cam in my recording program and also on Zoom. You can share the screen. If I click on it, you can choose what you want to share. You can also share computer sound. So yeah, okay, share. And now, as you can see, I'm sharing the screen right now. So I can also annotate to look. Really simple, really spotlight. That's pretty cool. And you can have arrows here, whatever. It's really, really simple. So yeah. And then you can pause the share screen or stop sharing the screen. You can again invite from here, or you can even record, stop share. The next thing is the chat, that you can chat in your meeting Zoom, and then you can record. So right now I'm recording also my whole meeting with people. When I cancel it, I can also like react that I like it. And then the last thing is that you can end meeting for all. So this is how you do it. And right away, I can see it here. And I got my meeting recorded. So yeah, that's kind of it. And this is how you use Zoom. It's quite simple in my opinion, and quite effective program. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.